What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all got some hot deals and clearance items from Target, and I got some Walgreens deals. Before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. My new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? My returning subscribers, thank y'all for being loyal and returning. Y'all, I don't know what's going on with my channel. My views is like looking terrible. I don't know if it's because I'm not uploading every day, but I don't want to really wear y'all out with some of the same content. Y'all just comment down below and tell me what type of videos would y'all prefer me to do, besides showing y'all clearance deals and everything else that I show y'all. What do y'all as subscribers want to see from my channel? Because y'all, my views as subscribers is not looking too good, and sometimes I just feel like giving up, because I'm like, nobody don't want to see this. But I mean, there's some people that do, don't get me wrong. But y'all, help me out. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all want to see more of from the channel. So now let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, here are some clearance items they have at Target. And these items are not sticking around, y'all. I went really to Target yesterday because they had Scott toilet paper, the 12 rolls for like $3 something dollars. Then they had the Scott, it was like 24 rolls for on clearance. All of that toilet paper, y'all, was completely wiped out. I looked up and found this one thing of Charmin, and they had marked these down to like $10 and something. But I guess after they are on clearance so long, they clearance out and turn into penny items. Target does not sell penny items, so when I rung this up, it was like no results. So the girl gave this to me for $3. But be on the lookout for the big bags of Charmin toilet paper. I was able to get some like last week, and they were 13 something dollars. But they marked them down even more, and I mean, they are disappearing, y'all. So be on the lookout for Charmin and Scott toilet paper at your local Target. Now let me move this so y'all can see the detergent items I got on clearance. It's not a good clearance, but it is better than paying full price. And we don't have no coupons on these items. Wish we did, because your girl would have racked up even more. But the Ultra Tide White, it is 59 loads. It was $11.63. Then the Ultra Stain Release was $11.04. These Gain flings, and they even had the purple relaxed ones. Didn't get those, but got these. They were $11.04. The purple relaxed ones was $11.04 as well. And then this Gain liquid 78 loads, it was $11.04. And it's pretty big container. Okay, these are the other clearance items I have found, and yes, we be collecting dolls. So this doll right here, well, these two were $3.89. Super cute. And then these are like the little Disney dolls, and they have like a whole lot more, but this particular one was $9.99. They do have other ones on clearance, but they are like $13.99 and stuff. And they do have some more $9.99 ones, but they were all sold out. So luckily I found this one, because I really do want the whole collection. and it doesn't show you the other ones on there, but yeah, they do have more, and they also have different ones of these as well. But $3.89, you cannot beat that, and $9.99 because the Disney collection dolls are much expensive than $9.99. So let me show y'all some other items I had got on sale and on clearance. Okay, y'all, here are the last few items I got from Target. And these Billy deodorants was on clearance as well for $4.49. Then they had the men's Dove deodorant on clearance for $5.94, even though the original was $6.99. Still, clearance is a clearance. Then on these Tide pods, not only were they on sale, they the laundry items are buy one get one 25%. It didn't rank up on the bigger ones, but on these it did. They were $7.94 each. Make basically they was nine something dollars, like $9.07 on clearance, but on the receipt it said I got both of these for $7.94, and they was buy one get one 25% off basically. So both of these was like $15.88. So those are the clearance and on sale items that I got from Target. Now I wanted to show y'all some deals that I did at Walgreens. Then we are gonna end this video, and hopefully y'all can get out and find some of the clearance stuff, because y'all Target got tons of clearance stuff right now. They got stuff for your kitchen. They got a lot of rugs and stuff on clearance. They got like a lot of kitchen stuff. They got detergents. They got deodorants. Just like a lot of stuff on clearance. So you should go to Target and check them out. So now let's get into the deals from Walgreens. Okay, y'all, these simple little items right here will cost you little out of pocket, and they are part of the P&G deal. When you spend 30, you will get back a $10 register reward. So starting on the Dime Platinum, and it is the 18-ounce one, it is currently $3.99. We have a $2 digital attachment, making this only $1.99, y'all. Yep. And I was wondering why the shelves was cleared on these. I looked up and was able to find one of these left, and I got it. But $1.99 for some Dawn is not bad any day. Then, okay, y'all, on the Secret deodorants, they are buy four and get a $4 register reward back. But on top of that, they are part of the P&G deal. So starting off with the Secret Water Lily, it was the highest one because it wasn't no more of these ones, but they are buy one get one 50% off. This one was $9.99, and this one was $8.79, and then the last two that were 50% off were $4.39 each. So the total for these four deodorants was $27.56. We have a 6 off 3 digital coupon, dropping the total down to $21.56. Pay that. Get your $4 register reward back, making the final cost for these four $17.56 or $4.39 each. But for everything after coupons, and I use the $3 register reward to make my total go down some more, The total ended up being $20.55. I paid that, and I got back this $4 register reward and my $10 PNG register reward, making the final cost for all of these $6.55 are $1.31 each. And that is not bad, especially on some secret deodorants. You cannot go nowhere and get secret deodorants for $1.31. Um, Not the good kind anyway. But yes, y'all, that is the first transaction that I did when I went to Walgreens. Now let me show y'all this last transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my last transaction. Needed to stock up on some smaller laundry items. So they have these on sale this week for $4.99. Usually these particular items is $5.49. Buy four, get a $4 register reward back, but this week they are $4.99, and on top of that we have $1.50 coupons on these items. Well, some of them, because one of these items, the Game fabric softener, did not have a coupon, but the dryer sheets, the Tide Pods, and the Tide Liquid did. They was $4.99. The $1.50 off made these three items $3.49. So the total for all of these items was $15.46. I used one of my $10 P&G coupons, dropping the total down to $5.46. Paid that, got back my $4 register reward. Okay, I got my $4 register reward back, making all four of these items $1.46 or 36 cents each. So 36 cents for some laundry detergent. You cannot beat that, and y'all can do the transaction too. All you need to do is get four of these items, and if you have one of those $10 PNGs, you hand it to the cashier, and it will come off that $15.46 and drop your total lower. And I could have used some Walgreens cash if I had it, and would have been even, it probably would have been free, y'all. So yes, y'all, couponing is easy to do if you know the steps, and I am here to show y'all on my videos. So like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.